All right, so welcome to another drawing segment with the Rouser. This video was going to teach you about how to use the octagon to draw a head shape. Okay, so I'm going to take my pencil and I'm going to draw an octagon, which is an 8-sided figure, to be able to represent my head shape. Okay, and it just has to be one that kind of reflects the overall length and width of the head. Okay, now once we have that, I'll come over here to my drawing and I will, all right, so we're gonna just kind of blow it up here, and this is basically what I did. Okay, now I have a framework to work with my picture from. Now once we finish that, we'll come over here and we'll start adding the features. Okay, so I'm going to, from this node here, from this bend of the shape, I'll come around here and I'll work down to this bend of the shape. I'll come over here, I'll add my head shape, chin shape, then I'll use this as the breaking line of my head, and I'm not drawing right on the line because I'm gonna actually use it just again as a framework. And then over here I might put my neck shape. Okay, from here what I'll do is I'll go ahead and I'll draw the top of the head shape like that, and then I'll just kind of come down here and make my ends of my hair, and then over here I'll do the same thing. Okay, from there we'll go ahead and we can put in our features. So since this video is not going to be about features, it's just about building the head shape off of the shape here, the octagon shape. I'm not going to get too much into features, but I will put this particular part in. What I like to do when I do features is picture my eyes kind of like in eyeglasses. So I would picture my person if they had eyeglasses on. Okay, like just a primitive pair. This will take away the stress of me having to know where to put my eye shapes at. And then from there, I just kind of give the person their eyebrows. I know where to put my nose at in relation to those glasses, right? And then you can see here that we have our mouth relationship here, right? And our lips, and then our basic teeth. Get it? Okay. And then obviously the eyes will be inside of here. And again, we'll get into that in another video, but that's just something that I wanted to put in there. All right, so I'm going to demonstrate this one more time for you so that you'll understand what I did. Remember that the octagon is an 8-sided figure. Think of a stop sign. All you have to do is, again, think about what size overall is the height and width of your shape, no matter whether it's 3/4 or whatever. So here we go again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I don't want an overall big shape, right? And then again, I'm using this as framework. So what I'll do here is I'll come from this node over here. I'll come around the outside of the face. Okay. Again, looking at this all as framework. I can go inside of the framework to create angles. See how I kind of came off of the shape here a little bit? So I'm cutting away or adding to this shape. I guess that might be a better way to think about it. Okay. All right, then we'll add our next shape here. And then check this out. We'll go ahead and add this shape here. Right, and then we'll add our shape here at the back. All right, got a little earrings there, right? And then again, picture your model with glasses, which we can already see we drew some in here. So if I gave her some glasses like this, right, that'll be the bridge of her glasses. Now we can see, we know where to put our nose and everything, so we can just put our brow shape here. We can put our nose shape here, right? And then we can put our mouth shape right in here. Right, and then we'll put our eye shape in the middle there. And what the heck, I'll just go ahead and throw it in there for you so you can see how easy it is to be able to place your features once you understand how to do that. Okay. All right, so that is how to draw your head shapes using the octagon shape. Remember, octagons are 3 sides on the top, 3 sides on the bottom, and 2 long sides. I think as a bonus little part right here, just a second, I want you to, a good practice is going to be to take your shape and make it long or make it wide, right? Depending again on what you are trying to do with your caricature, you can use these frameworks, right, to be able to build your face. And then again, remember, you can take away from or add to the shape. So if I'm using this pencil here, I can add cheekbones. I can come down in here and cut some of this off. I can go around here, right? You know, again, this is just the scaffolding of your picture so that every time your drawing is going to be on point. Okay. All right. So thank you for watching. Have a blessed and awesome day. And don't forget to like. Don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you guys next time.
Hey guys, I hope that you enjoyed that video tutorial. If you did, don't hesitate guys to go ahead and give us a like. Also guys, don't forget to hit the subscribe button below and the notifications button. This way, when we put up new material, you'll be the first to know. If you have any questions about our markers or pens or paper, and you'd like to know where I get some of the materials that I use here on my art stream, there's a link in the description below, so you can go ahead and check that out as well. And also guys, we'd like to welcome your questions and comments so that we can get some new ideas. You know, it's always good to have new, fresh ideas for our next and upcoming videos. Oh, and don't forget to check out these 2 super cool videos right here. So guys, thanks again for your love and support of our channel. You guys be safe out there. And as always, guys, I wish you happy cartooning.